Hi, Julie Stobie from Mind Over Clutter. I want to talk to you about getting your space organized. And we can use the word space to set up those steps. The first thing you do is sort, then you part with the items that you no longer use or want. Then you assign a home so that you know where you're going to store them. Then you buy the containers, it's step 4, not step 1, to store those things so they don't slide all over the place. And then you evaluate your system. So you might want me to come in person to your home and help you do this and help you through the system and teach it to you, or I can do it virtually. We can set up an appointment, and while you work through your space, I can help you tell you what the next step is when you're not sure where things go or what to do or how to sort them. I can help you. I'm right there on your computer with you. So if you need some help getting that space organized, give me a call and let's set up an appointment or chat for 30 minutes. Have a good day.